Hello, friend. I'm Lena. So beautiful. Woohoo! Stop here.
Oh, wow!
So beautiful.
I want to watch movies. I love this box. I put food in here.
Today, I will make a house for Hello Kitty and Stitch. Complete the house frame with cardboard and colored paper. I hope you like it.
Woohoo!
Uh-oh. Are you okay, Kitty? Why are you lying here?
I need a bed to sleep.
Okay.
Make the bed for Hello Kitty. Glue onto cardboard. Then use paper to cover the cardboard. Wrap fabric around the cardboard. Make the mattress. Glue and add cotton on top. Use fabric to cover the cotton and cardboard. Cut off the excess fabric. Make the Hello Kitty bag. Make the Hello Kitty headboard. Dress up Hello Kitty. Apply makeup.
Yes!
Make the bow.
Yay!
So beautiful. Come here, Kitty.
The bed is so beautiful.
Make the backpack. Flatten a piece of clay using plastic sticks. Cut the clay in half. So cute! The bedroom for Hello Kitty is complete.
Lisa helped me push this in.
Is this place okay?
Thank you so much, Lisa. Hello, Lisa. Made me a bedroom. Oh, let's make a bedroom for Stitch like mine.
Okay.
Make the bed for Stitch. Make the mattress. Glue and add cotton on top. Use fabric to cover the cotton and cardboard. Place the mattress on the bed. Make the headboard in the shape of Stitch. Flatten a piece of clay with your hands. Make the ears for Stitch. Next, make the face for Stitch. So beautiful!
Oh, wow-wee! Hello, Kitty, wake up! Come here! I can't go? Oh no, we need stairs! Lisa made me the stairs!
Okay.
Make the staircase.
cardboard.
Thank you, Kitty. Make the storage cabinet. Assemble the cardboard pieces to form the cabinet. Take a piece of clay. Woohoo! The bedroom for Stitch is complete. Make the countertop for the kitchen cabinet. Make the microwave.
Cover the cardboard with yellow foam. Decorate with buttons.
What is that?
Lisa, please use this to clean up.
Thank you, Kitty. Throw the trash into the bin. The kitchen is complete. Make the cabinet to place the TV on top. Use small beads as the cabinet legs.
Ta-da!
Make the TV.
So beautiful. I want to watch movies. Woohoo! The box is so beautiful. I'll hide the food here, Lisa.